Hello everybody. Mascara. We are heading over to the thrift store today and hopefully I can find some things that I can recreate. This is pretty much what I wanted to do. Basically, the thrift store, the music was so loud that I couldn't really talk and stuff like that. I really want to show you guys like 3 DIY tops that like from my knowledge like aren't ones that are like regularly done or have been done before. Okay, so one trend I've been seeing everywhere, and maybe because I'm just like obsessed with TikTok right now and like this whole like e-girl culture and I don't even know what, but basically I see a ton of turtlenecks and collars, shirts tucked under crew neck sweaters, and I figure like I don't personally like the bulkiness of that, and I thought it'd be fun to basically create dickies. It's basically like a little collar to put under something. I'm thinking about sewing snaps onto a turtleneck piece as well as a collared piece to put into a specific crew neck, so that way I can switch out the collar. So for those, I managed to pick up this white polo. It's kind of expensive. It's $5.99. And then I also got this like kind of off-white turtleneck. This was $2.99 and in a size small. And I wasn't expecting a lot, and I thought about maybe just using a crew neck that I had. But then I saw this crew neck that's originally from Coalition Clothing Co. It's just like a plain black crew neck and it's kind of sick. And then I also picked up 2 other like basic tees. Sometimes I find really good basic tees at the thrift store, and today was just like one of those days. The first top I'm going to try to remake is like originally an RUMI top, but I've been seeing this top like all over like Revolve and like Princess Polly and like stuff like that. So it's basically like a long sleeve in the front, and then you turn it around and there's like a drawstring portion that's like arched in the back. I actually already have a top like this in white, but I thought it'd be fun to kind of recreate it in gray. And then there's this other top of Reformation that has like a crisscross type of back, and I thought that'd be really cute to go out in. And they did it with a plain black t-shirt, but we're going to do it with a white t-shirt just so it's easier to show you guys what I'm doing. So I just picked up this plain white tee. This is like $3.99. But I just really want to kind of show you guys something fresh and maybe save for some more money while doing it. So let's just get to sewing. I just want to show you guys like an idea of what you guys can do. I personally hate the bulkiness of collared shirts under my stuff and like just wearing like a lot of layers. Like if I can cut down on the layers if I don't need them for warmth, like why not? So I thought it would be fun to show you guys how I'm going to be making a dickie. And I'm gonna start at the edge here and just do like one big baby bib basically, because I am going to be sewing the edges in just to make it look a little bit more complete, even though technically I guess you don't have to, but we gonna. So let's just do that first. And now we're going to sew along the edge. You actually don't need to do this, but I'm taking this as a precautionary extra step. That was way easier than I thought. Honestly, I just kind of stitched them so that way they wouldn't fray. I still have some threads on them that I need to cut off. If you guys want to see what these look like, let's just get at it. I'm really happy with the way they turned out. And again, I just think that this is like a really neat little way to like jazz up some of your tops that you already own. Okay, so let's throw on the sweater I just got. Let's turn me into super trendy Instagram gal. I guess I should have put the collared thing on still first, but it works, guys. Oh my God, how cute. And now we have the lovely turtleneck version that I made as well. Oh my God, it really looks like I'm wearing a turtleneck under. I think this one looks better than the collared shirt. So So this is the t-shirt I'm working with. This was $3.99 at the thrift store, and it does have a little bit of stretch in it. And basically what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be cutting out the entire back, hemming it, adding loops, and then adding a drawstring. So we're gonna actually now just do 3 loops on each side. I noticed that's what the Reformation one looked like. So we're gonna basically just take some of the scrap fabric and I'm gonna do some loop-de-loops. I'm gonna take the rest of this and now we're just going to make a lot of string. You did it! So let's try this on and see what it looks like. This one turned out so much like the photo, so much like the Reformation top, except I spent $3 instead of the $108 I would have spent. So I'm just shocked at how well these turned out, and I think they're gonna make such cute tops for going out. Okay guys, this is the next DIY. I got this long sleeve. You guys saw it already, but this is what we're doing to it. So basically it's going to be a crop top with like a cutout back that also has a loop for a drawstring to bring it inward. If you guys have seen the RUMI top, that's exactly what I'm doing. And now that I've done the other drawstring top, I feel like I'm a little bit more confident. So now we're just gonna cut this first, so that way we can save this stuff for the drawstring. And then we're gonna try to figure out how we're gonna do this whole loop-de-loop business. Look, I'm not wearing a shirt again. So basically I did the whole thing. I sewed along the seams, and one tip if you guys are sewing like on a curve like how I was basically is I split the curve beforehand, and you won't see it inside, but at least you won't have that like bulky extra fabric. But we're going to create a drawstring now using the rest of our fabric over here, and my plan is really just to do what I did with the last one. So I'm just gonna cut it. And I guess my plan, honestly, is to cut just a straight line that hopefully will be enough fabric, and if not, then I guess I'll just make some more. Oh, I know a lot of people know how to do this already, but it's basically just a drawstring. So you're gonna have to just put a safety pin on the edge, and this will actually help it just kind of loop through, because I don't know, like I always lose my safety pin. I always lose it if I don't do something like this, so hopefully the whole thing can fit through smoothly. Got it! Okay, guys, look at the back. Oh my god, this turned out so well. Okay, let's flip over to my reaction and see what it looks like on, guys. It's so good. I am actually so shocked at how well this turned out. Okay guys, that is the end of today's video. Let me know which item you like the best. To be honest, I'm really happy with this gray top. If you guys also try these, please tag me on Instagram because I would love to see the outcome. I think this is a really good way to repurpose items that you have and give them like a new life as well if you don't want to go out and thrift things. But yeah, that's it guys. Stay tuned for my next video and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye guys.